one part of that.
Everyone is a diamond. You know that, and everyone has good qualities. And you just need to enhance your qualities, and you just need to find out what is the best quality in you, and you just have to come out with it. This is the best thing that I got to know from you.
Okay, once. Yeah, please.
This workshop is about personality development, and here we are looking at ourselves or our personality as a diamond, which needs to be cut, polished, has to have a certain weight in terms of carat and the color. And they have mentioned 9 P's which describe the process of building up your personality. Beginning with the first being passion. Some passion for your work or any part of your life, which most of us have not maybe discovered, and if discovered, we have not pursued it to take it forward. Then there needs to be some positive energy to continue with it and to even initiate the process of building up your personality or to pursue your passion.
First of all, I want to say one thing. This workshop I have liked very much, and the point I liked carrot.
Okay.
And in that, positive energy I liked. We should inculcate positive energy as well as we should motivate. We should motivate to the students and inculcate them positively.
Positive. Come. Yes.
As a diamond, you should always be ready to take up the challenges. Don't look at others, what they are doing. Do something different from the others. By doing this way only, you can achieve your
And be your own.
Be your own.
Whatever you are, that's fine.
Have confidence in yourself. If you want to become different from others, then you have to follow your own dreams. Don't do what the grid or what the crowd is doing.
Very good.
Become
Good.
something different.
Yes. Nice.
As she said the word dream, so in my opinion, whatever the passion you are having, you should go through it. Don't worry about anybody else. And dreams are only when you are seeing with open eyes and not with the closed eyes.
Very nice.
This is the thing I have learned, and though it is the quote from APJ Abdul Kalam, but today I have learned that it is to be followed in my daily life.
Very good.
I would like to say something about positive energy. If you want to start some work, just first of all you should see the positive aspects of that work. Otherwise, if you think positive, then result will always be positive. So be positive and be healthy and
Good. Very nice. Fine. I want everybody.
One thing I really liked about this workshop and what sir said, like ma'am said that her passion is watching movies. So what I learned through this is that even if your passion is watching something, let it not be, confined to watching only. You have to give it a good vision, writing blog, writing critics, giving your review, which can be beneficial for others also. Like when we also go to watch movies, we normally prefer reading a review. So those kind of things are helpful for others also. So I really like this, that things should not be confined to a very micro level. Let's go beyond, let's think out of the box and go over the board, explore some new horizons.
Right. The next one, kindly be ready. Now, voluntarily.
This workshop is a very good workshop. I'm very happy that I was a part of it. And it gave us the clarity that personality is not only the outer outlook of a person, it is the inner character. If the inner character is strong, your personality is strong. And Sir has been able to explain us about the proactive character and the reactive character. And with the proactive, we have to prepare ourselves first. And then only we can make our character strong. That was a very strong idea I got, and I'll learn from it and remember it and make myself strong.
Hello everyone. As Sir has said, and we have also got to know by now that we all are diamond. So we need to match the perceived value and the received value. So we should all work very hard and our level best to match the perceived and the received value. Thank you.
One very important fact that I've learned here is that we should always think win-win, which is one important aspect that most of us forget.
we always, usually interested in ourselves, our growth, and forget that how can we, seek and help others to equally gain respect or the growth in that particular field. So this point I really liked, which is Think Penguin, and I'll certainly work with that.
First of all, a very good afternoon, sir. As Anuradha sir said, we should discover a diamond in ourselves. So for that, what I have learned in this workshop, that we should be loyal to our work, and we should, work together. And that's it. We have to be loyal.
Yes, because we are teacher and we must be loyal to our responsibilities. That's the main thing.
Yeah, good afternoon to all. And I'm in this workshop and I've liked it tremendously about the personality development Sir has given to us. And personality means something persona. It's your inner abilities and outer abilities also. And very good thing I have learned from here is the clarity of thoughts. Clarity. Clarity means something which you are able to transfer your thoughts to the other person. And the main thing is the other person also should very well, inculcate in their persona. And personality, on the whole, personality development is really the thing which every one of us should keep on trying to improve day by day, means the growth of the person. And I really like Sir's the session which he has given.
Workshop, but generally I want to say, ever since I've joined the school, we have attended many workshops, but Sir had a different kind of personality. That is the reason that I only remember his name. And that's his full name. I don't remember anybody else's name. So the kind of personality he has, really, I look forward to become such kind of person that people remember me even when I'm not part of the school. My students, teachers, just because of the good nature. And your persona, the personality you maintain. I found that positivity. We were not scared of talking to him. We were very comfortable, open. We could come and share. So that kind of a positive platform he gave to us to speak and share our ideas. At the same time, there was a good knowledge to share and learn. So I really look forward to it.
Good thing. When I was kid, my father used to say that, hey, do hard work. Aladdin ka chirag ho, jitna gisega, tabhi Aladdin ka din bahar aayega. But Sir said, we are diamond. I just make really proud because mujhe nahi pata tha, we are just diamonds. I teach dance. सब आते हैं, डांस देखते हैं, क्लैप करते हैं, घर जाते हैं, हम भी घर जाते हैं, finish. Then again next day, again start practice, dance, clap, finish. But never said, कभी मैंने realize नहीं किया that we are diamond. And I'm very happy to just attend this workshop with you, sir. And thank you so much. I'll be on my passion and keep dancing.
Thank you very much. Very nice.